I love you so much, you know that?
But I told him it ain't what I want. It's some time we should know that.
Stay with me.
Oh no, the house is mine. The wall of the house. Wait, I need a sponge. As a decoration, I will add. I know, it's cute. Oh, yeah. Vampires.
It's blue. My shirt was.
I'm sorry, baby. Here. Still no. If I go. Can I have some money, Mooch?
Okay.
Let me hold $1, please. Let me get $1.
I want $1.
Look at this doll. Kai, go wash your mouth, baby. You got yogurt all over your mouth.
Mom, I don't have no dollar. Mom, I can pay something.
It's for me?
No, I can pay yogurt. I can pay
Can I have that $1, Mooch?
cause I got $1.
All this money? Let me see your purse. Can I see your purse?
Yeah.
It looks so cute with your outfit, Mooch. I love it. Mom, Mooch, you making it rain at 8 a.m.
Apple.
What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? What'd you do? Hey, handsome, give me a hug. Give me a hug. You have yogurt on your mouth,
Mama.
mister. You have yogurt everywhere.
Mama,
Yeah.
No.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I missed you guys. Today, we are taking the kids to like this pumpkin patch thing. It's not really a pumpkin patch. It's called Knights of the Jack. It's in Calabasas. It's kind of like this cool, like, interactive maze, and then there's like cool pumpkins where people have like carved really cool like art installations out of pumpkins. Before we do that, I'm gonna go get my nails and my hair done. I'm going to Oh La La. You guys know I love going there. It's in Studio City. They do the best Russian mani and pedis in LA, so make sure you guys check them out.
Drowning in your way, taste so sweet it drives me wild, like a nympho losing my mind. Touch me softly under moonlight, every kiss feels just so right. Bodies close in endless heat, love so deep we can't retreat. Lips of fire, take me higher. You're the one that I desire. Let's just blaze and feel the burn. For your taste I'll always yearn. In the shadows we collide, passion's flame we don't hide. Whispers echo in the night. With your kiss my soul ignite. Wild and free, losing control. Nympho heart, you make me whole. Taste your lust, your sweet delight. walls let me remain.
Hi guys.
Look at KK's for his Halloween costume today. He got a muscle suit from all the push-ups you've been doing, huh?
I was working on the garage right now.
In the gym, in the garage. Guys, KK has a report on bats tomorrow due at school where he shares some facts about bats. Do you remember one of your facts that we talked about yesterday?
There's one in 2000.
Close. Not 1 in 2,000.
It's
1,200 species. You're close. The numbers were right. It is 1,200. And then what's one thing bats can't do? Remember, we watched the video? Bats can't. We can do it, but bats can't do it, right?
They can't walk.
Yes, and they can't. How do they get places?
They find trees and they say hello, and then when the hello come back to them, they go where I go.
And what is that called when you say something and then it comes back to you? An echo.
Echo.
They use echolocation. Echo. Can you remember that for your report? Echo?
Echolocation.
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 And they use echolocation because they can't
These.
see because they're blind. Right? And then what's that joke? Remember that joke that they made about the bats and you liked it a lot? Remember the joke? Why do bats go to school? What do they learn at school?
They go to school to learn the alphabet.
The alphabet. Remember? That's the joke. They go to school to learn the alphabet. Good job, Kay. I love that you remembered.
Baby.
Huh?
I'm a little baby.
Yeah, Kiki's a little baby.
I'm on my knees.
I love that you remembered the echolocation. Good job. Can you just remember that word for tomorrow? Echolocation. We'll work on it tonight. Echolocation. I love you. I love you so much. You know that? Yeah. Putting lipstick on you. KK specifically asked to film with me. What are you doing that with your tongue? Look what mommy can do with her tongue. Ready?
So funny. My nose is like my dad and my baby. My nose is like baby. My dad's like my nose is like.
Can you tell KK? If you guys have kids, I'm sure they're obsessed with the movie that just came out on Netflix. What is it called? K-pop?
No, it's
K-pop?
It's called K-pop Demon Hunters.
K-pop Demon Hunters. If you guys are watching that. KK's obsessed. Okay, K, you want to sit and film with me still, or you want to go play outside?
Film.
Film?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. We're going to be making some HelloFresh.
Yay!
Yay! KK loves HelloFresh. Do you want to see what we got in this order?
What?
Okay. Barbecue Sloppy Joes. I think I've made this one before. We have street cart style chicken bowls. I made this one not too long ago. And then we have creamy Dijon dill chicken. You love, KK, you loved the sauce last time. When I made HelloFresh, guys, it was like this. It was like a Dijon sour cream sauce. KK is like me. He likes sour and tart stuff. KK, what's the word again? Do you remember?
Echolocation.
You're so smart. Okay, how many species of bats are there?
102,000.
You see, you mix them. You always do 102,000. It's 1,200.
1,200.
1,200. I made the executive decision. I'm going to be making these barbecue sloppy joes. They look so good. KK loves pickles. That's one thing about K. He loves a good pickle. Okay. Oh, wait, I just realized I didn't show you guys my nails. You know, I got my nails done the other day, K, while you were at school.
For real?
Yeah, they turned out so good. I haven't gotten them done in such a long time, since before New York. You guys know we love HelloFresh in this house. It makes it so easy and simple to cook delicious meals right at home. So you get everything you need to make your meals in these handy little meal kits. So we get all of our ingredients. We get step-by-step photos. Literally, it could not get easier. And KK is gonna help me out today. Oh, my potatoes. Going everywhere. Okay guys, let's get to cooking. So like I mentioned, everything that you need to make your meal comes to you in these meal kits. So I love that you get all the seasonings, all the sauces. HelloFresh recently had some new changes. So let me introduce you guys to the new HelloFresh. So for one, they have doubled the menu size. So if you have any picky eaters in the family, there's so many new options. And guys, my poor Mooch hurt her hand outside. But yeah, I love that they have so many different options. They've also increased the portions. So if you ever felt like the meals were a little too small, they have the perfect portion sizes now. And you're also able to swap out protein options without an extra charge. So you can add premium steak, seafood, all at no additional cost. HelloFresh also has some new ready-made meals, so you can literally have some options ready in just 3 minutes. They are lifesavers for those chaotic evenings. Okay, so I'm now making the meat mixture, so I'm sauteing the onions, and guys, this sauce was so good. So it's just barbecue sauce, ketchup, cornstarch. This is the chili powder that came in the recipe. It was so good. I also added some salt and pepper and a little bit of water and just added that to the ground beef once it cooked down a bit. You guys can take advantage of the new HelloFresh by using my code KavariFM at HelloFresh.com. That gets you 10 free meals plus free breakfast for life. You get 1 free meal per box with active subscription. Free meals applied as discount on the first box, new or returning subscribers only, and it varies by plan. Oh my gosh, you guys, the Sloppy Joe mixture, 10 out of 10. It is so good. I actually went through a Sloppy Joe phase, and I feel like this is gonna bring it back. But what I used to make, like when I used to make Sloppy Joes, I'd always chop up carrots, celery. I put the onion in there, so I'd always chop up like carrot, celery, and onion. So that's a great way to also add more veggies. But this mixture is so, so good. Oh my gosh, I already sampled it, but here it is in sandwich form. We smushed it a little flatter. No, like this mixture, it's so good. Here, baby, take a bite.
Mama, I have to come try.
Okay, yeah, here, get a bite with the pickle. Get the pickle. KK loves pickles.
I give it a 15.
15 out of what?
100.
Wait, does 15 out of 100 mean it's good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, it's 15 out of 100.
No.
99 1 billion. I agree with you. It's a 99 1 billion. So if you guys haven't tried HelloFresh yet, you are definitely missing out. Make sure you guys use my code and use my link down below to try HelloFresh. Hello guys, we just got to Nights of the Jack. It's in Calabasas. Again, it's kind of like a pumpkin patch, but it's more so like a maze. But there's like a bunch of vendors here. There's food trucks. It's really cute. So we're about to start the maze, guys. It's so much colder than I thought. I'm just wearing a tank top under this jacket and I'm freezing. I should have definitely dressed warmer for this. Muchi, let me see your wings, baby. Wait, Muchi, your wings are coming off, babe. Hi, princess. Look at Kay's muscles under his jacket. It's okay, Kay. We see it. We see it. We saw it earlier. Handsome. Let's go, my little butterfly. Hey, Kiki. You want to hold my hand?
Yeah, I know.
You want to hold the camera? Okay, hold on, wait. Here.
Okay, good. Mommy, last night was bad.
Hi guys. Here's my puppy truth. Here's my princess baby.
Your princess baby? Oh,
What about my brother?
Sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
What about my brother? He's cool. He's stronger. Stop. Give it. No, it's mommy. Mama,
Guys.
get it from Kavari. Give it to me. My muscles are strong. Here my little mutas. Say hi. We did it.
Hey, guys. There's Muchi. There's Kika.
We did it. What?
Guys, want to do it again?
We did it.
Doing it again?
Okay, that hot chocolate was so good.
Yeah, it was so good, guys. Kayvon drank the whole thing. I'll show you guys when we get home that brand. Actually, no, here. It's like a healthier alternative to hot chocolate. It's called Teeny Tea. Really good. Like for kids.
Mama.
What? Here, I'll throw it away for you. I know, we can't. We can just look at it.
I'll take a video. Mommy, I'll take a video.
Come here, KK. Come on.
Take it from me. Don't skip.
They're in Ohio.